Let's take a look at the 1000 watt RAYCUT laser from am.co.za.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
This 1000 watt flatbed laser cutter cuts through steel like a knife through butter, like this 8mm carbon steel for example. And of course it does just as well on thinner material, like this 0.5mm stainless steel. And the list goes on. With the latest technology behind the control panel platform and customizable laser power, the RAYCUT greatly accelerates production time and lowers manufacturing costs. To find out more about the RAYCUT FL1530 from am.co.za, call sales on 060 600 6000.
Laser Master. Master the laser.
At am.co.za, we have always taken pride in our products and customer service. Our Google rating represents our commitment to providing our clients with the best support possible. We have officially achieved a rating of 4.9 stars and an astounding 699 reviews for our Jet Park branch in Johannesburg at the end of 2020. Let's move our attention to our branch in Montague Gardens of Cape Town, where we have achieved a rating of 4.8 stars and an amazing 299 reviews. We would like to thank you, our loyal customers. Thank you, South Africa. am.co.za. Achievement matters.